time. You guys are doing good.
Good job, dude.
You're such a little monkey. I've just got to figure out a way to be like stronger about all of this. We had to get out of the house because we have some work being done, so we decided to come. Yeah, there is an airport right over there. We decided to come to Edgewater Park. This is one of our favorite parks, and we actually took wedding pictures and engagement pictures right in front of like that bench over there. And they recently installed this Cleveland sign, and by recently I mean probably a couple of years ago, but we're going on 5 years of marriage now, so that wasn't there when we got married. But we're gonna go for a walk with the kiddos. It's like super early and it's a nice cloudy day, which actually makes for like pretty cool skyline pictures. So we figured we'll take some pictures with our kids from Cleveland.
Wait for mommy.
What are you doing? Hey. Oh no, not in your hair. Oh. You just had a bath last night. Oh, not in mommy's hair. No, thank you. Landon, you should go to the potty with daddy. It's a long ride back to our house. Okay? He's coming now, daddy. Okay, beach babe. We gotta go. Oh. You are so funny. Well, it's like not even 9 o'clock yet. So this is a great way to like start off the morning with some exercise and just getting to see, to me, what is one of the most beautiful parts of our city. You, I'm gonna beat you. There's Daddy and P. You won. Good job. We're gonna go up the Thigh Master Hill for my workout today. It doesn't look bad, but it is pretty killer when you're pushing these two. Time for the Thigh Master workout. I am not in good shape. You're so funny.
That's so long.
I need to get in better shape. And thank you to Outdoor Voices for sponsoring today's vlog. That's where my leggings, top, and sports bra in the video are all from. If you haven't heard of Outdoor Voices, they make high quality activewear for men and women for the gym and for everyday life. And I love that they promote living a happier, healthier life through sustainable exercise of any form, like running around after my toddlers. Hashtag doing things that are fun and easy for me to incorporate into my everyday routine as a mom is really important to me so that I can stay healthy for my babies. And I love that their clothing is made for for me to sweatin'. It was a really humid day in this vlog, if you can't tell by my hair, and they have fabrics for every single type of activity, but I love the 7/8 Springs leggings. The color I have on is called Lake Dove Rose Quartz, but they're so comfortable. And for colored leggings, how much they lift your butt and slim you out when you wear them. And for sizing, I'm 5'5", 125-ish pounds, and I'm wearing a size small. But for 20% off your first order of $100 or more, visit outdoorvoices.com/BriannaK and enter the code BriannaK when you check out. And shipping is free, returns are hassle-free, and I will have all of this information in my description box if you're interested in placing an order with Outdoor Voices when you're done watching the video. That was a fun walk. We're getting sentimental and driving through our old neighborhood because we miss it so much here. Okay, here, it's coming up. There's our old house. Oh, I miss that house.
Our old house right there.
Yeah, right there. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
And we would walk on this street every day. And Landon, that's where I had all of my doctor's appointments with you in that building over there. Hey guys, so we just got back from our dentist appointments. Me, Landon, and Adam all had dentist appointments today, and Presley actually fell asleep because we made a pit stop on the way home from the park beach to see my dad, and I actually ended up being there for a really long time with the kids unexpectedly, just because there was a lot of stuff going on. So I figured I'd give just an update on my dad's situations. Okay, I guess I'll just start with then yesterday. So I got the phone call that they got some concerning lab results back. They were really concerned that his kidneys were shutting down, and he really hasn't been eating or drinking. Like, he went into rehab the end of July, and since the day he entered rehab, he's lost 20 pounds. So that's just not good. And they said we're gonna put him on an IV and try to keep him from going to the hospital, because what the doctor had said was, I think we should send him to the hospital. And the rehab place was like, well, just because his immune system is so just low right now as it is, at risk of pneumonia or anything else that he could potentially then pick up in the hospital, let's put him on an IV for 24 hours to see if that can rehydrate him. So they did that, and I saw him. It was like interesting because his energy level seems better. Like, he was more energetic than he was, but he actually seemed much more just out of it, and he was actually like extremely moody. Like, it's been a while since he's like actually yelled at me, and he like yelled at me, and I know he like doesn't mean to, and I know all of this has to be really, really hard on him. And I'm honestly, I'm like so sick of crying. I've just got to figure out a way to be like stronger about all of this. But okay, so he was just really mad, and about 30 minutes then after I left, the head nurse called me, and she's just like, look, we're really concerned because even though his lab works came back and the good news is his kidneys like were functioning, she's just like, with him refusing to eat or drink at the level that he needs, you know, as soon as we were to take him off of this IV fluid bag, like, we're probably going to be right back in this situation. So she's like, I think it's time you talk with him and like your family about hospice care, which, so I don't know. I think all I can just ask for right now is everybody just to pray. Because I don't know what happens from here. On the bright side today, I don't know if you can see, our carpets are all cleaned. That's why we left earlier. And some little girl has taught herself how to come down the stairs. You make me very nervous though still. But I've seen her do it about 20 times. You're such a little monkey. A cute monkey. Good job, honey. You did that all by yourself. And those vacuum lines make my heart so happy.
You can't touch with your hands, bud. Landon, try to get it in the goal that way. Opposite way, Landon, that way. But that's good, good pass.
Drew, we're playing. Drew, we're playing. No, kick the ball.
Landon, no hands, no hands.
Yellow. What's up, bud? Need a ball? Need a ball?
Kick in the net. Kick it in, Landon. Good job, dude. Alright. Hey guys, getting a little practice in, or extra practice in after the end of the official practice. Bree's having a tough time. She got some bad news about her dad, so I'm closing out the blog for her. Hopefully he'll be alright, but right now it doesn't sound great. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Alright, see what they're doing? Good, keep going. Alright, we're gonna go one more time. You guys are doing good.